Hi, I'm Sarah from Sutton Schoolswork. Welcome to our online assemblies all about our senses. Each week we will share some fascinating facts about the human body, tell you a Bible story and give you a challenge for the week ahead. Are you ready and listening? Then let's begin. This is our final assembly on the theme of our senses. Humans and all other animals have 5 senses: touch, taste, sight, smell and hearing. It's amazing how our different senses help us to understand our environment, protect us from harm and allow us to enjoy the world around us. Today's assembly is all about hearing. So let's play a game. I'm going to play different sounds for you. Can you guess what the sound is? That was a doorbell. Clapping hands. A dog barking. A washing machine. Someone opening a packet of crisps. Let's hear some fascinating facts.
Sodium bicarbonate. Oh, hello, didn't spot you there. Welcome to my laboratory, and today I'm going to introduce you to one of our sensational senses, and today is the sense of hearing. I think of all the senses, the sense of hearing is my absolute favourite. Did you know that the ears are amazing and complex things? They don't just help us with hearing, but they also help us to keep our balance. Yes, the ears are amazing. In fact, most of the ear is inside our head. The bit that you can see on the outside, it gathers sound waves and it sends those sound waves into the middle and inner ear, and eureka! We can hear. Let me leave you with a sensational fact of the week. The 3 bones in the ear are the smallest bones in the entire body. In fact, you could fit all 3 bones on a single penny. How sensational is that? Have a sensational week! Ha ha!
Today's Bible story is about a man who wasn't able to hear. Let's find out what happened when he met Jesus.
As Jesus was travelling through different places, a deaf man, who also found it difficult to speak, was brought to Jesus. Everyone begged Jesus to lay his hands on the man and heal him. Jesus led the man away from the crowd. Then he put his fingers into the man's ears. Jesus spat on his hand and touched the man's tongue. Then, looking up to heaven, he sighed and commanded, "Open." Instantly, the man could hear perfectly and speak clearly. Jesus told the crowd not to spread the news. But the more he told them not to, the more they told people about the man's healing, for they were overcome with utter amazement. They kept saying, "Everything Jesus does is wonderful. He even corrects deafness and stammering." Question time. What was the man unable to do? What did Jesus do to the man? Why did the people continue to tell others about Jesus' healing?
The man was unable to hear and couldn't speak clearly. When Jesus touched him and spoke, the man was healed. Christians believe that God is always listening. If we speak to him, God will hear us. In the Bible, the Psalms say, "Lord, every morning you hear my voice. Every morning I tell you what I need, and I wait for your answer." It is said that we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so that we should listen to others twice as much as we speak. Now, your challenge for this week: take time to listen to others. Look at them, listen to them carefully, and show them that you care. We hope you've enjoyed our assembly series on our senses. Thanks for watching. Bye!